Our unit will be separated into 5 sections called investigations. In the first investigation, students will discover the force of magnetic properties, static electricity, and detecting magnetic fields. Students will ask questions, design experiments, and present the outcomes of their discoveries to the class. In the second investigation, students will design experiments and build working electrical connections to light a bulb, make a motor, and discover which materials are conductors or insulators of electricity. The third investigation focuses on advanced connections. Here students design and build both series and parallel circuits while also learning how to draw simple schematics for their designs. They will use schematic symbols and summarize how they work. The fourth and most exciting investigation will have students discovering that electricity can flow through metal objects and induce magnetism. Students will build an electromagnet and design tests for measuring the strength of their electromagnet. The final investigation puts all of our learned concepts and skills together. Working in groups of 8, students will build a working long-distance electromagnetic telegraph. They will send and receive messages with one another and their group. Students will be able to use all their content skills and concepts on this design. Included in this unit, the lesson plans are developed around Gardner's multiple intelligences. All 8 are used in each investigation. As well, the unit is designed to reach all of Bloom's taxonomies, working our way from remembering through understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluation, and finally creating. The technology in our classroom will be for presentations. Smartboards, iPads, and computers will be used at school and at home. The software programs and applications we will use are LiveJournal for blogging with other bloggers, Flipit to sequence our hypotheses and experiments, Google for supporting data and research on our vocabulary. We'll use Strip Design to storybook our experiments and designs. MindMeister will be used for mapping. ShowMe for quick presentations to teach other students. We will be using iMovie to show the real-life drama of failure and success. Presentations will merge our graphs and text and photos, and we'll use Apple Pages to summarize some of our ideas. Students will be expected to use these technologies at a 4th grade level. Students will use their academic vocabulary, content lessons, and concepts to present their ideas in clear and logically sequenced formats. At times they will work in groups with partners, or they will work independently. The following content standards will be met throughout this unit in all 5 investigations. My big takeaway from this class is that I was more able to see the unit through the eyes of the many intelligences that students bring to class. It forced me to reach and go beyond my comfort zone and find new strategies for completing tasks and accomplishing goals. I also take away the idea that no project, lesson, thought, or creation is final. We are in the process. As a technology immigrant, I have the advantage of learning through my students' eyes, as well as being part of the generation that has built many of these technologies, sort of like a history teacher who's lived the experience. If I were to pass on one piece of information to another student, it would be this: no matter what you think, there is always a solution. Keep going, keep trying, make mistakes, and begin again. You can get there.